Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. And in this video we are going to do some twisties. Now I did my twisted sides because y'all know these days my hands is saying no for the braiding, so I needed to do a protective style on my hair, because if not I'm gonna just be walking around looking like James Brown, and that's just ain't it. So I'm going to show y'all how I achieve this look. Now we all know that everybody wants their twist to start with a twist, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm just gonna grease my little section, and yes, I do use grease. I use grease my entire career braiding hair, and nothing happened except for my clients had healthy, beautiful hair that grew, hair that they didn't think would grow or get any length to it. So I don't know who told y'all that grease is bad, but they lying. And now I'm just going into this section with some gel, and I'm using the camera to do this. I just like to push my little short pieces down in the front, because then I'll lay those down later. But after I put my gel and grease on, I separate these two into two parts, and then we're ready to start twisting. Now I don't like the rubber band method, strictly because once you get them in, like, they might be okay when you put them in, but then that next day they be so tight and they hurt so bad. So I don't want to put them in my hair. Like, I just don't want it. When the twist gets too loose for me, I could just retwist it. I'll just take it out and just retwist it. But right now I have the 30-inch. I have the 30-inch Cuban twist here, and I'm going to use 2 strands. And right now I'm just separating it to like fluff up the hair, because if you don't fluff it up and if you don't separate the hair, the twist is not going to be as puffy or as, you know, full looking as you want. You're going to get a more tighter looking twist. All right. So now we are ready to put this in. And if you have nails like me, like these are on the shorter side. I wear nails longer than this, but even if you have nails, this is not hard at all. So let's see. And I hope that y'all could see up close. So this is my 2 sections. Boom. Right? Now you're going to take the hair on our section that we have on our right hand side. We're just going to twist. We're going to grab that and we're going to twist. We're twisting it to the back, twisting it towards the back of the head. Now that is going to make our roots tighter. Now you see how I got this side? All right, boom. This side we're going to twist in the same direction. This is my hair. I'm just going to take it over top of the braiding hair and just twist. Twist. Hold up. And then twist one more time. You twist until you feel comfortable with the tightness. And then after that, you take the first one that you twisted, bring it over that second one that you twisted, and then you just get right into it. Boom, 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 boom. Now I add a little bit of gel as I'm going down, just to like smooth my hair out. But if you want your twist to look full, don't twist it as tight. Like usually with the Marley twist that I would do, I would twist the hair really tight while I'm twisting. With this look, I don't twist it as tight because I don't want the twist as tight. When you let it go, it's not gonna you know, fluff up that much more if you twist it too tight. So I'm not really, normally I would twist a lot, but it happens so fast that you really can't see it. But if you twist it tight, let me see, let me show y'all what I mean. If I twist it tight, twist while you're twisting, twist while you're twisting, twist while you're twisting, twist while you're twisting. All right, and I'm gonna just let it go so y'all can see what I mean. So see how this part right here that I just started twisting is starting to become like smaller, and then this part is a little thicker. That's from me twisting it tighter while I'm twisting. So I'm just gonna not twist as tight, just a slight twist, and twist the hair around itself. And we just gonna take it all the way down to the end.